Hello guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, click on the save button down below, which is the second option. After that, tap on my collections at the top of the screen. Then click on the create a collection button. Type in the title of the collection into this box. Click on the save button in the middle of the screen, and as you can see, your new collection has been created. Once you find a job or a position or an interview and anything that you would like to save, click on the save button and select the collection that you have created. And as you can see, the item has been added to the collection. As you click on it, you will be able to check out that the item appears in the section. You can add notes to it by clicking on the write a note button, and you can also easily get rid of this item by clicking on the more icon and tap on the remove button. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.